Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy, high-protein cookies. They're no-bake. They're plant-based or not, depending on whether you use maple syrup or honey. They're very quick to make, only 3 ingredients, and each one has approximately 53 calories and 1.5 grams of protein. So let's get started. To make these easy no-bake snacks, I'm going to start with some peanut butter. Any amount. You could make one of these treats or you could make more. If your peanut butter is not soft enough, you can either add a bit of oil or a bit of cold water just to get it to a spreading consistency like this. And we're going to add some maple syrup, just enough to sweeten it. It doesn't matter how much you add. Depends on how sweet you would like it, or you could use honey. You're going to mix that in. Now I have some oat flour, and if you want to make your own oat flour, in the first comment below this video, I'm going to add the link for my video on how to make your own oat flour. So I'm just going to start by adding some oat flour, and I may have to add more, we'll see. I want to get this consistency so that I can roll these into balls in my hand and they will hold their shape. And that's not stiff enough, so I need this to be stiffer than that. So I'll add some more. If you add too much, you can always add a little bit of water or oil. Okay, so that looks like it's stiff enough to me. So now I'm going to take a small amount, and I'm going to roll it into a ball, like that, and then just use the heel of my hand to flatten it down. So take a small amount, roll it into a ball, and then flatten it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And that's the basic recipe, but to make them a little bit more special, I've melted some chocolate chips, and I'll put a little puddle on top. And again, you could just leave them like that, or you could sprinkle some coffee granules on top, or some shredded coconut. And I have some other ones here that I put some slivered almonds, coconut, some peanuts, a walnut, or cranberries. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make these high-protein, no-bake, plant-based treats. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Yum.